What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. You already know. If this is your first time here, don't let it be your last time here. And you do that by clicking on the subscribe button. It's the red button that says subscribe. SUBSCRIBE. Subscribe, just in case you don't know how to spell it. Anywho, today in the Veganlicious kitchen, we are going to be making something sweet. We're going to be making blondies, okay? Blondies, which is the variation of a brownie. But it's not brown, it's blonde, which means it's yellow, light brown, okay? So we're going to be making blondies in the Veganlicious kitchen. So let's grab the ingredients and let's get started. Okay, so I have all the ingredients. First ingredient is almond flour. Almond flour. Second, peanut butter. 100% peanuts. You see that? Maple syrup. 100% maple syrup. We have chickpeas. Yes, chickpeas is a part of this recipe. Chickpeas. Vanilla. It's that time of the season. We're going to be using pumpkin. We have baking soda. Baking powder, I mean. Pumpkin spice. You see it? Pumpkin spice. Pink salt. And chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Okay, so let's combine all the ingredients. So let's pin them down. Everything is going into my food processor right here. So I'm dropping in chickpeas. That still has the aquafaba in it, so you don't have to drain those. We're going to pour in the canned pumpkin. Put it all in here. Everything. Then we're going to put in peanut butter. 1 tablespoon, put 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Peanut butter. Then we're going to put in our almond flour. Next, throw in the almond flour. Then we're going to put in the maple syrup. Put like 2 tablespoons full as well. Put in your chocolate chips. However many you like in there. Put in your vanilla. 1 teaspoon is good. We're going to throw in our pumpkin spice. Put 1 tablespoon. Then baking powder, 1 tablespoon as well. I don't know where my measuring spoons are at. So, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Put 1.5. Okay. We're going to add some pink salt. 1 teaspoon is good at this. Then you're going to blend it all up. And I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here, what it should look like once you blend it. Now we're going to put it in the oven. And I should be back here with you guys into 15 to 20 minutes. I'll put some more chocolate chips. Okay, that's all my chocolate chips. Okay, now it's going in the oven. Be back. Okay, I'm back with the finished product, the finished recipe. Okay, yeah, I changed my clothes because I'm about to go work out after I finish this video. So I look brand new. Oh, what happened? Something changed. She changed her clothes. Okay, so let me pan down so you can see how my blondie came out. There it is. It's still hot. So I'm going to cut it and see what it tastes like. Let's cut. It's pretty still a little hot. Looking a little soft, yeah? Okay, we gotta let it cool. I don't think it's ready. I don't think so. You gotta let it cool down. Okay, so I took it out the oven because I'm thinking it should be ready by now. But lo and behold, you see, can you see what it looks like? I know a brownie is supposed to be like gooey.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
And like a little more crispier, I should say, cake-like on the outside. But this is a bit mushy. So, this is a fail. It's not giving me brownie vibes. But hey, I messed up somewhere along the line. So today's lesson is, if you don't get it right the first time, you could say fuck it and don't do it no more. Or you try again and do it right the next time. But it still tastes good. Something is just off a bit. So I'll come back and try this